Hey, my name is Marjorie Wildcraft, and if you thought 2020 was pretty dramatic, 2021 is going to be an order of magnitude even more transformative. My name is Marjorie Wildcraft. I'm the founder of the Grow Network. We're a group of people who are dedicated to growing our own food and making our own medicine and building real community resiliency. We are headed into one of the most transformative and challenging times that humanity has ever faced, ever. I mean, historically, in all of written history. These are epic, epic times. A lot of people are focusing on the national elections. That's actually the wrong place to put your focus. There are global forces that are moving. We'll be talking about that on the call. I've got a call coming up on Sunday the 24th at 2 p.m. Central Time. I'm sure there's a way to sign up for it. We'll be talking about the forces that are in play, a lot of the big surprises that will be coming out in 2021. More importantly, how can you navigate this to be able to get through this successfully and beautifully and actually with an incredibly better and richer life? So join me on Sunday, the 24th. There's going to be a link for it. It'll be one of those virtual calls. I hope we don't have any big explosions before then, or there was not a problem with the grid, but we will be meeting at that call on Sunday. And yes, I want to see you there, 2 p.m. Central.